Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, traders. This is John Howell speaking. Today we're going to view CSL. CSL is one of the top traded stocks on the Australian stock market. Now we're looking at a weekly chart. Once again, you can see up here it says weekly. Now, once again, if you can only learn from my videos, I prove to you time and time again that support and resistance change roles. Now let me show you what I mean. See over here where it has a resistance? When it came back up, it broke through resistance, came back down, and what did it find? It found support. Okay, fantastic. And then it started going to the upside. That's the only thing you worry about. If you only bought at support and sold at resistance, that's a strategy itself. Okay, now I'm not recommending doing that. Use other things such as trend lines, indicators, and moving averages to add the extra probability in your side. But I want to keep showing you that time and time again, the support and resistance are evident. Doesn't matter, because look back here, back through to say 01 to 02. That's where it was here. Now we're talking at the start of 07. Look where it's support. Okay, so we're talking about probably 6 to 7 years before its resistance. Now it's popped back up and found support. Okay, we're talking a 6 to 7 year period apart. The stock market has a good memory, and they do memorize these levels. Let me just quickly open this chart up now, and we can actually see something through here. Okay, we can see the market came up through here, made a resistance. Okay, through there. Popped down and come back up, found a resistance through here. But see this resistance over here? It became what? Support, didn't it? And we also got a resistance up through here. So we can see on the weekly chart, we're just channeling through here, aren't we? Okay, we're just channeling through here, and what I want to do now is I want to just quickly pause this video, and I'm going to quickly bring up a daily chart, and we can see how we can use this overall pattern and how to profit from this overall pattern. Okay, how to profit from this overall pattern, and where some good entry signals might likely to be to get into this stock. So I'll be with you in a sec. Okay, so let's look at our daily chart. This is a daily chart we've got up now, and as you can see, it's a lot more. It's not as smooth as the weekly chart, but we can see this is our daily chart compressed up. What we simply want to do is we want to open up our daily chart to have a really good look at this stock and see where it's going. Okay, we can see over here this was the resistance on the weekly chart, came down, popped up, and we can see that this was the support. We also supported out. Also here as well on the weekly chart as well. So support and resistance are changing roles right now, and what we can see up here, all along the top here, we are simply seeing the resistance which we saw on the weekly chart. If you forget what it is, rewind this video back to the start and make sure you watch it so you can actually gauge, okay, let's look at the weekly chart, look at the daily chart, and see if we can actually gauge where this stock might be going. And if it goes in a direction, how can we profit from it? And this is what we're all about. We're all about adding the probabilities on our side so we can have more trades right than we're wrong, and having the profit at a bigger percentage and a bigger profit target than our stop, and overall we will make money at the overall. But what I find with most traders is that they just want to make a big profit, get in there, get out real fast, and become a millionaire overnight, which is not going to happen. What you want to do is, especially if you're a new trader, you want to start slow, start easy. Try to supplement your income first. Okay, so if you're earning $3,000 a month or $4,000 a month, try and do that first before you try to take on the big wall. Now, the point of me saying this is because I see so many traders that I coach and mentor, and that I speak to on a daily basis through my emails and phone calls and all that sort of stuff, is that they're not patient with themselves. Okay, they're not patient with themselves. Now, for me, all these videos I'm doing right now with all the triangle patterns and all the different types of patterns I'm showing, support, resistance, moving averages, different types of indicators, all that sort of stuff didn't happen overnight. Okay, I've now been doing this market now for about 3.5, 4 years. Okay, around that, and if you ask my wife, I spent my lifetime, my last 3.5, 4 years, studying these charts in and out, buying courses. Okay, so this information you're getting right now, you should not take it lightly. Please do not take this information lightly, because I paid a lot of money to get this information. Then not only did I have to pay a lot of money to it, but then I had to understand what he's telling me break it down so I could use it myself to benefit from the trading, and then also chunk it down so I could teach it to other people. So please, don't use this information I'm giving you lightly, because you have to pay money to go learn this stuff. So please, do not take this information and just go, oh, there was another good video. Because if you use this information if you use this tools and strategies and resources and indicators that I'm using to help you gauge the probability on your side, you will be a winner. Okay, but make sure you do your own homework and try to use me as an indicator with your own work. Okay, makes sense? Okay, so just make sure that you're using me as sort of an indicator to go with your overall direction is what you think. But please make sure, trust me, go ask anyone. The information I'm delivering in these courses, I've actually had to go pay and actually ask for help and study myself. So this is the chart right here. Okay, this is the daily chart, and we can see right up here, this is the resistance all through here. Now, let's look at this. We're looking at to profit from this market. Now, for people that are just looking to buy this stock, where do you think a good time would be to buy this stock? Tell me, where do you think it would be a good time to buy? Let me just see if I can open this chart up even more. Actually, let me bring it back in. Now, where do you think it would be a good time to buy this stock? Do you think a good time to be buying the stock right now? Maybe your decision is yes. I would like to know your reasons why. Now, this is what I want you to do. Okay, if you're on my website, if you're not on my website, this is a test I want to give you. If you're looking to buy this stock, what would you want to see with this stock? Okay, well, if you're looking to buy this stock, would you get in right now on today? Because this is today. This big open, high, low, and close candlestick. I want you to email me. Email me at support@tradingandinvestingforyou.com, and I want you to give me your feedback and tell me where you think would be a good time to get in this stock. Would it be a good time to get in now? Or if it's no, we don't get in now, when would it be a good time to get in, and what do we want to see? Please send me some feedback, and if you can, take a photo of some chart, type some stuff on it, and send me your homework, and I'll send you back and give you my feedback based on my experiences, and so we can all learn at a rapid rate with each other. Okay? So this is, make sure you send an email to support@tradingandinvestingforyou.com. If you're on my website, the email will just be below this video, so make sure you check that out. Would you get in today if you're looking to buy this stock, or you're looking to go up? Would you get in today? Or if the answer is no, when would you get in, and what are you looking for? Please, once again, take a photo of a chart, send it to me, send me your homework, and I can send it back and I can give you my experiences. Once again, please send an email to support@tradingandinvestingforyou.com, and we can definitely, then I can go back. And the reason why I'm doing this is so I can get you to think. If I can get you to think, encourage you, I'm helping you to understand the reason why I do these processes, the reason why I look at what I look. Okay? Please take care, and I'll talk to everyone later on. Bye for now. Make sure you visit tradingandinvestingforyou.com, where there is loads of free information that is giving away right now. There's weekly wraps on the US and the Australian market. There's newsletters every single week with the must-see information. You get a video 6 days a week, every single week, viewing different stocks on the Australian stock market. So make sure you do yourself a favor, go to tradingandinvestingforyou.com and start to receive this free information now. Trade in the stock market is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee your profit from the information provided. The information in these videos is meant for educational purposes only. That being said, I've been trading the market profitably for many years. So please, do your own homework and make sure you look after your current financial situation.